Hello everyone. Today I wanted to share my lifestyle as to how I am able to actually maintain my shape and my weight at my age. I am 62 years old. I turned 63 this August. And yes, I've been through the ups and downs. I'm heavier today. I'm light today. I want to eat this. I want to eat lots of sugar. I deserve this treat or something like that. And because that's normal. We have our cravings. And so this video is going to tell you that just because you want to lose weight doesn't mean you're going to deprive yourself of the good things in life. So stay tuned, get your notes, and let's start. Hello everyone. I am so happy to be here talking to you about how we can maintain our weight and our shape regardless of age, because that's true. As we go through menopause and as we enter the postmenopausal stage, really we carry all of this weight. Our bellies, our wings, and things like that, they're everywhere. They all come with age. And before we even talk about how to look youthful or how to stay strong and keep your stamina, it's always important to love ourselves wherever we are in our lives, because we have been through a lot, haven't we? And here we are, we're still alive, we're still kicking, we still have dreams. For those of you who have just visited my channel or who have just found my channel, welcome. And for those of you who have been with me from day one or who have subscribed to me, thank you so much for your support. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to help you find your better version, to make you feel good about yourself, whether it's through skincare, living healthy, makeup, fashion, dressing up, hair, healthy living, exercise. These things that when put together make us confident and feel good about ourselves. So that's where I come in. So I'm here to just motivate you. I'm your rah-rah girl. I used to be a cheerleader in high school. So yeah. But those are the old kind of high school cheers where you didn't have to go up and get carried and then you tumble down. It was more like really cheer and dance and things like that. I'm always proud to talk about my health journey because it was not easy. I was heaviest in 2015, weighing close to 150 pounds, so 147 pounds. Now, just imagine, because I'm 5'1" and a half, 150 pounds? Whoa. Yes, I didn't look very healthy, to the point that I had to sit sideways if I wanted to put on my shoes and tie my shoelaces. It was that bad. And if I had to bend, whenever I stood up from bending, I felt my muscles cramping on my abdomen. So that was really bad. Another one, I would see this beautiful dress on the mannequin, right? I go, oh my gosh, I love it. And then I would look for the size L. It's already a size large that I was buying. And still, when I put it on, I didn't look good. I go like, okay, I love myself. I love what I'm doing, but I think I can do better because I want to be healthy. And at that time, I was drinking 2 medications. I had my anti-cholesterol meds and my anti-hypertension meds. Because nervous breakdown, heart ailments run in my side of the family. So I was on medication until 2017, November, when I decided to go to the gym, like really religiously, consistently go to the gym. So I would be at the gym for 40 minutes a day, just 40 minutes, but I went every day during my first few months, maybe in the least 5 times a week. Very early in the morning, because I worked full-time. I still work full-time. So just imagine I have to put all of these schedules into my really busy routine. I went with my girls because we all wanted to do it together. I signed up for gym basically because I wanted to support my youngest daughter who went through depression. And I knew that physical activity helps build your serotonin. In 2018, I already lost weight. I already went down to 126 and then 118. But take note though, that in 2016, so before I went to the gym, we already revamped our eating habits. Like total revamp. No sugar. I threw everything that had sugar, not just table sugar, but flour. And we didn't have bread, white bread, for the longest period of time. I let go of rice because I was always a huge rice eater. All of these that created sugar in the body, I disposed. No pop, no fries, no fast foods, no eating out. That was a huge sacrifice, and it was an entire family collaboration. You know, it's hard when, especially if you're the one cooking, preparing meals, and you have to prepare meals for the family, and it's saucy and sumptuous and salty and all of that stuff. And you have to eat vegetables and protein, right? So it's very hard. But the good thing is the family was all in it together. If you're finding this episode useful at this point, if you're liking what you're watching, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share. Let me know if you've been through the same, if you're struggling to lose weight or to maintain the weight that you have right now, like, going up and down. Let me know because I'm interested to hear about your story. Talking about weight and weight management and health is healthy because then we live longer, and ideally we live longer and we're stronger. We're able to do things more despite our age. And remember, back then I was about, mid-50s. So it's doable. It is doable. And the fact is, no injections, no diet pills, no diet whatever straps or anything like that. Everything is organic. And that's what matters because we need to do it safely. I have read that if you want to lose weight safely, maximum pounds to lose in a week would be 2 pounds. Beyond that, it can be drastic. It might harm your body. So it's okay then if you take it slow. You don't want to go through drastic weight loss because number one, it's probably not going to be sustainable. That's why I never go Ozempic, no, because that's not sustainable, that's not affordable, and I heard that there's lots of side effects, like bad side effects. We did try keto, but not pure keto. I just looked at the good qualities of keto. If you ask me how I describe our food now, it's more like paleo, where the more whole your food is, the healthier. Like an apple. If you eat the apple, perfect. If you change that into apple juice, you're already getting more sugar and you're losing the fiber. If you bake that into an apple pie, sorry. There's sugar that's already going to harm your body. So it has to be whole, like whole corn compared to corn muffins. So everything should look like they were from the ground. And that's the principle that I adopted. And for 2 years, I did intermittent fasting. Until now, I do intermittent fasting. During the past 2 years, I went for the 18-16 intermittent fasting, where 18 hours I fasted and 6 hours I ate. I eat twice a day. My breakfast is around 12 o'clock. That's when I break my fast. So there's a huge misconception about breakfast. Breakfast doesn't necessarily have to be early in the morning, 6 or 6:30. No. It's the time when you break your fast. So after sleeping at night, you're fasting. When you wake up, you're still not eating, you're still fasting. Once you take anything that has calories in it, you've broken your fast. So you can drink water. But once you nibble any small amount of food that has calories, you've broken your fast. May as well eat, right? May as well eat. So even if it's fruit has sugar. So yeah. So now, if you want to lose weight quickly, it depends on how much you have to lose. Maybe you won't be able to lose 20 pounds in 2 months because then that's very difficult. But if you at least lost a few pounds in 2 months, then celebrate yourself and appreciate yourself, right? Because every single time that we have a goal and we get closer to our goal, that makes us a better person. 1% improvement is better than none at all, right? It's always a way closer to your goal. So this is what I'm doing right now because I'm attending a huge event this Saturday. So I don't know when I'm going to post this episode, but it is within this week that I'm filming this, that I'm attending Vancouver Fashion Week. My daughter was actually invited for the whole Vancouver Fashion Week, and she gets to bring a +1 every day, and she's bringing me this Saturday. And guess what? During the past 2 weeks, my brother and family visited us from Manila. So you can imagine all the eating out, all the partying, fast foods, and desserts and all. So I go like, oh my gosh, in 1 week I have to look good. So my brother and family left last Friday, and so Saturday, Sunday, still ate a few, but then I started eating healthy Monday. I'm filming this Wednesday, so it's been 2 days, but I've already lost 2 pounds, and I'm good with that. I removed all rice, removed all white bread. Right now, I'm still doing my intermittent fasting. I eat twice a day. My food consists of lots of vegetables, lots of meat and fruit, water and green tea, and of course, coffee. I can never say no to coffee. But see, I reach my goals despite my drinking coffee with cream. But I know some people will probably say it's not good, but I use non-sugar sweetener if I have to. Otherwise, I will put honey and cinnamon on my coffee, which I love. I have an episode of that, how to make your coffee really yummy and healthy. Cinnamon, 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 cinnamon. So, I hope that you're liking this episode. Let me know if you found anything useful. Type in the comments below and let me know how you maintain or lose weight, because it's something that people might be able to learn from. Again, I always encourage organic weight loss. Nothing artificial, nothing viral, nothing that might cause any side effects. Above all, love yourself and be proud of how far you've come. I have social media platforms. I hope you'll visit me there and follow me. TikTok at The Real D, Instagram at The Real D, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. And if you haven't done so yet, subscribe to my channel. I create beautiful content, informative content, important content, and things that have helped me. I talk about things that helped me because I know that if they did, they just might help someone out there like you. So thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching the ads that you find in front, in the middle, or at the end of my video, because they help me keep my channel running. I'm able to maintain this channel. I'm able to pay for subscriptions that I need to keep this going, like my music, Epidemic Sound, like my software, my editing software, Sony Vegas Pro, my camera, my video, my audio equipment. So you make my channel possible. So thank you so much, and I hope that I inspire you as much as you inspire me. Take care, stay healthy, and again, always know that you are worth it. You are the best that you can ever be at any point in your time, and you can keep going. Take care. Bye for now.